Imagine an AI that can do your work faster, better, and more accurately than you can. Not just once, not just on a good day, every single time. Now, imagine several of them, working simultaneously, never getting tired, never losing focus, never asking for a raise. This isn't science fiction. This isn't some distant future prediction. This is happening right now. Today, you're going to discover the newest AI tools that are already outperforming humans in creativity, productivity, and decision-making, and why this moment is both exciting and terrifying at the same time. Because if you ignore this shift, you risk being left behind faster than you think. But if you understand it and learn how to work with it, you can multiply your output, your skills, and even your income in ways that were impossible just a few years ago. Section 1. The core idea. AI outperforms humans. AI isn't just automating boring tasks anymore. That phase is already over. Today's AI is outperforming humans in areas that once defined human value. It can write detailed reports faster and often better than experienced professionals. It can generate designs more detailed and consistent than many human artists. It can create videos, voiceovers, and content at massive scale without burnout. It can manage projects, track performance, and organize teams more efficiently than many managers. And here's the most uncomfortable truth. AI never sleeps. It never complains. It never gets distracted. And it never makes careless human mistakes. As we move deeper into 2025 and 2026, the gap between people who work with AI and people who ignore it will become impossible to ignore. In nearly every industry, AI literacy is no longer optional, it's survival. Section 2. Tool number 1. ChatGPT. Advanced/Claude 3 AI writing tools are no longer assistants. They are full-scale producers. With tools like ChatGPT and Claude, entire workflows can be completed in minutes instead of days. Need a blog post? Done. A sales page? Done. A full social media strategy? Done. Reports, proposals, emails, scripts, even code? Done automatically. One AI can now replace multiple people working in content creation, marketing, customer support, or research. The speed alone is shocking, but what really changes the game is consistency. AI doesn't have off days. Use case. If a company used to hire 3 to 5 people for written content, one AI can now handle the same workload, faster, cheaper, and with fewer errors. Section 3. Tool number 2. Midjourney/Leonardo AI. AI image generation has crossed a critical threshold. With tools like Midjourney and Leonardo AI, anyone can generate professional quality visuals instantly. High-converting YouTube thumbnails, marketing posters, product mock-ups, photorealistic concept art. What once took a designer hours, or even days, can now be completed in minutes. And here's the scary part. Many AI-generated images are now indistinguishable from human-made work. In some cases, clients don't even realize a human wasn't involved at all. This is quietly redefining what creative work actually means. Section 4. Tool number 3. 11labs/PlayHT. Voice used to be one of the last human strongholds, not anymore. AI voice tools like 11labs and PlayHT can clone human voices with unsettling accuracy. They can produce narration instantly, adjust tone, pitch, speed, and emotion, switch accents and styles on demand. For faceless YouTube channels, audiobooks, podcasts, and ads, a single AI can now generate weeks of voice content in a single day, without studio time, without retakes, without fatigue. Section 5. Tool number 4. Pika Labs/Runway. Video editing is no longer a purely human skill. Tools like Pika Labs and Runway are rewriting the rules. They can automatically cut footage, insert B-roll, sync audio, add captions, apply transitions, and even generate entire videos from scripts alone. What once took hours or days of editing can now be completed in minutes. No timelines, no burnout, no human editor required. Section 6. Tool number 5. Notion AI/ClickUp AI. Even management roles are being disrupted. With tools like Notion AI and ClickUp AI, organization itself has become automated. These systems can prioritize tasks automatically, track deadlines, and progress in real time, summarize meetings instantly, remind you of critical action items before you forget. Entire teams now rely on AI to keep projects running smoothly. freeing humans to focus on strategy, creativity, and decision-making instead of micromanagement. Section 7, Tool number 6, Perplexity/AI Research Engines. Research used to be slow, now it's instant. AI research engines like Perplexity can scan thousands of articles, papers, and sources in seconds. They summarize key points, highlight actionable insights, eliminate irrelevant noise. Tasks that once took days of human research are now done in minutes, with higher accuracy, broader coverage, and less bias. This is not the end of human work, but it is the end of human-only work. The people who learn how to direct AI, how to guide it, question it, and refine its output will always outperform those who try to compete against it. The real advantage won't be talent or intelligence, it will be leverage. One person, properly equipped with AI, will do what entire teams once handled. The scary part isn't that AI is replacing humans. The scary part is how quietly it's happening. There are no announcements, no warnings, no countdown clocks. Jobs won't vanish overnight. They'll slowly compress. Roles will shrink, expectations will rise. What once required 5 people will soon require one who knows how to use the right tools. Speed will matter more than experience. Adaptability will matter more than titles. And by the time this shift feels obvious, it will already be too late to catch up. AI doesn't arrive as a takeover. It arrives as an upgrade. And the clock isn't measured in years anymore, it's measured in months. And it's already ticking.